Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how I create webAR through AdWall. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you need to go to AdWall and you need to register your account. Then you need to pay. You need to pay the developer at least the minimum payment will be I think $99 to just to get access and play around with all the features. Yeah, and if you pay I think $250 per month, then you can publish one app. Yeah, so I use $99 for my development access. So those are kind of like some project that I play around with their template. So let's walk through some of my project. So let me show you my previous project. So I use their template. If you can see, yeah. So basically scan the QR code for the sheet design, and then by detecting the image target, it will automatically play a video to enhance the print experience. Yeah, so this is one. And another one is that by scanning the QR code, it will lead you to a web page. And then you can see 3D model. I animate the rotation as well. So yeah, so basically you can see the whole thing. Okay, so let's start it. Yeah, because I'm still playing around with it, so I just quickly walk through. So first, if you want to start a new project, let's say, okay, so I've already set up my account. If you don't know how to set up your account, you can just go to AdWall, and then you just log in, create an account, and pay. And then you will see the same screen as me. Yeah, okay, so new project under, because I only register one, so it's under Hummingbird Day. And what's the project title? Let me say the tutorial. Yeah, test. Okay, so maybe just say tutorial tutorial. Okay, and then description for tutorial test. Yeah, you can change the cover image, but we can leave it for now. And what's the project type? I use non-commercial. It's included. If you click the commercial one, you probably need to upgrade your plan, which is paying more. Okay, so I just, for the demo purpose, I use the non-commercial, which is my current plan, which is $99 per month. Yeah, okay, so yeah, so team. Okay, let's create. Okay, so first, yeah, there are some stuff you need to connect first. So you need to do the device authorization. For example, like you need to open, you need to kind of like open the camera function on your mobile phone and scan this QR code. And then it will lead you to the, yeah, so I just scan through my mobile phone and it's authorized. Yeah, so you have to do this or you couldn't see anything on your mobile phone. So you need to get your smartphone and scan this code. Then it will, your device can be authorized. Okay, so yeah, you need to connect to a URL to generate. So I do this.com. Yeah, so this is my to the original. Yeah, so this is kind of like what I put, and I if you scan this code, you will go to my website. Yeah, so, okay. So this is the setup. Yeah, okay. Then let's go to the fun part. Once you set up the whole project, let's go to the fun part. I think it's a fun part. Okay. So if you go to the third tab, you will see all the fun stuff. I use A-Frame because previously I watched Friend Academy tutorial and I learned some A-Frame language. Through Frame Academy. If you wanna see Frame Academy, I pretty much learned all the stuff from here. So if you wanna learn the language, you can go here. And I think, let me see. Some of the code I steal from here. So I can later on probably show you what code I steal from. Yeah, it's really cool because I pretty much, let me see. Try clicking. Yeah, so you can pretty much take a look and go through all the tutorials. Then I believe, okay, so I think some of the code I pretty much steal one code from let me see which code looks nice. Okay, so I think I steal a entity somewhere here, not image, think not transparent. Here I steal this code because I really like the rotation. You know, it's rotate. I steal this code and I apply to the Apollo 11 dev model. Yeah, so pretty much I copy and paste from here to here. Yeah. Okay, so I just want to kind of, yeah, okay, so this is kind of the place that I learned A-Frame. Okay, so what I do is I choose the second one, image target flyer. And if you want to try load the project, let me show you what's this. So basically you scan the QR code and you can rotate this jellyfish 3D model and you can play a video here. So if you see my NASA 2 flyers, I pretty much, one of it, I use the 3D model on top of the target image, and another NASA video player, I use the second code. So that's load the project. Okay. Takes a while. Okay. So this is target image. So basically, the beautiful coding is coming up. Okay, so how do you preview it? So basically, all you need to do is to scan this code. And then what I do is that I scan this code, right? And then I go here. Go to the, okay. So basically, you drag and drop all your assets here and add. Everything under it are coding. Everything under files, assets, it's, for example, like a JPEG, like the whole flyer image, or 3D model. And 3D model, you need to make it GLB, which later on we will talk about how to create GLB. Then you need to download an MP4, and remember, don't I think you cannot upload the file exceeding 100 MB. Yeah, so everything needs to be under 100 MB. So you need to keep the file super small. Yeah, and then you need to have a thumbnail. Okay, so, and then for coding part, header header is something that you put like copyright or some, some tracking or something that is so mysterious that I don't really know. Okay. And then the second one is that, yeah, probably you want to copyright something. And the body one is where you can play around. Yeah. Okay. So async, I believe those are the stuff you call, right? You have to call it, right? So XR web equals whatever true. This means that, okay, I want to do the image tracking. Yeah, disable. Okay. Oh, disable. Oh, so there's no word tracking. Yeah, so we can see all the stuff is here. Okay, so we need to code stuff. Then we need to load our assets. Okay, so you see a whatever asset item, right? And then this is the this code means that, oh, where can I find it? So everything you just put assets slash and whatever your file name behind it, right? So you have an ID. The coding structure is really similar to HTML, but it has some little different. Yeah, I think it's pretty much like this. So, okay, so pretty much you scan this code and you can see a jellyfish playing here, 3D, and when you click the button, it plays. So, yeah, so, okay, so let's jump into how we prepare our assets. Okay, so pretty much, let's see. Let me show you how to maybe start with the, I don't know, video or, yeah, it's all good. Okay, so I designed this one. This one is a whole flyer. So, yes, for NASA. And then I screenshot part of it. I screenshot the middle one. So when the camera detects the middle, then it goes to here, right? So this is my target image. So I create the name code video target 1, flyer 1, and then this is called NASA video MP4. Okay, so what I did was I drag everything here. All I need to do is to swap the name of my file. But be careful because sometimes we will type the wrong thing. Okay, so we see this is GLB. What's GLB? GLB is that as well only accept this 3D model format. Yeah, and you can Google it and see what's GLB. Basically, GLB and G whatever. Let me see. Oh, GLTF. Those two are the most commonly used online 3D model. You can play in your browser. So yeah. So and I think AdWall and Facebook use this format. Okay, so this one, I assume this one is this, right? So basically I create an ID for this dude and then I put, okay, so this is jellyfish 3D and then I put a 3D model overlay. But today our goal is to overlay this, right? So the video target, this target, it's target. Yeah, so we go to the target. Yeah, obviously it's a target logo. Yeah, so you see image targets. So all we need to do is to drag our video target to here. Okay, so yeah, and I usually kind of, okay, whatever. Okay, so as long as it detects
all the little image here. Then you just upload. So you can try it out. When you scan on your phone, you need to register first, okay? So you scan it, and it leads you to another website, and then you can see there's a black border, and then it says target video target 1, like the name you name here. So this means that you can test it. If it detects this image, then the border will show up. Means that, okay, I detect it. So it means it's functional. Okay, so this one is like, I use text. I think this is much easier. But I mean, you can leave it blank because I think you can pretty much code in the body part. I use load automatically. I think this is kind of like a default. You don't wanna do a lot of stuff to make it load, right? So okay, so this is my video target 1. I did it on purpose because I think I personally think that, you see, it's so similar to the template. So I can kind of just put a dash, a 1, and then everything works. Okay, so let's go back to body, and then, yeah. And then you see jelly video, I just leave it there, and then I don't like mute because I want sound, so I just delete it. Yeah, and once I delete the mute, and it plays. Okay, so you see SRC, so basically we copy and paste this part, then NASA video. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And the jelly thumb. Okay, so jelly thumb, basically it's the video thumbnail, right? So we want video target 1. PNG, remember PNG and JPG need to change or you will go error. So we want the thumbnail replaced by video target 1. Okay, so this is the replaced one. Okay, so I usually change, I think I change those. Yeah, so basically this part is the camera position. You can change whatever. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. So basically it's a little bit, X is 0, Y is 4, Z. So for example, if this is a square, then it will be a little bit of upper and 10 units high. Yeah. Okay, so you have camera, you have light. Yeah, you can change the intensity and you can change the type of it. If you want to see how to, what types of stuff you can swap, you probably need to go to their documentary, their API to see what you can do. But right now we just use the template and swap it, and we can make everything work, right? Yeah, okay, so because my video, I kind of want to, because this one is, you see the height is 1 and the width is 0.79. I think, what's my parameter? I think I made it something like that. A little bit, yeah, I kind of forget, but we can leave it for now. Okay, so pretty much that's about it. I think, yep. Oh, shit. Okay, so you can save it. Okay, remember that as well, because you didn't pay $250 full price for this app. So, oh, yeah. there will be a lot of errors, so you need to fix it. Sometimes it's the typo, sometimes it's like little things, and you will fail anyway. So every time I debug a lot. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Oh, so this one, something wrong with this one. Okay. Oh yeah, PNG. Sorry. I need to type the whole thing. Okay. So it will change the code. Once you scan it, for example, you see all the dots shift the direction. So you scan it, you go to another web browser, and then you scan your flyer, and you see the effect, right? And then later on, you see again. You see? All the dots shift again. So it means that the QR code just changed randomly. So you don't have a fixed QR code, which means that you have to buy the license in order, if you want to give to your client, or you want to test it like without opening this browser and get the right QR code every time. You have to pay $250 per month. Yep, that's how people make money. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I save and build, right? Let's do that. Okay, so what did I change? I changed assets to NASA. Okay, so I put this because you need to publish. Well, it's also okay. So let me. Okay, that's great. Okay, it seems everything works. And then all you need to do is to scan this, or you can go here. Yeah. And then scan the code. Yeah. You can scan this, and then usually when you scan this, it takes you to a browser and a camera mode. And then you open this file, and usually the video plays. Okay, let's see my original code. Just to make sure it's... Yeah, let me show you something works. Okay. So this is my flyer. Okay, let me show you my flyer. Okay, so I clean up. This is the final one. Okay, so I still use Jelly Thumb because I know there are a lot of like a Jelly Thumb and Jelly Thumb somewhere. So I just use Jelly Thumb for now. And then, yeah, this one, right? This one is this one. So instead of jellyfish thumbnail, I use the astronaut thumbnail. And then, okay. Yeah, jelly video. Yeah, so I swapped the assets to NASA video. Oh, and then light. Okay, so the height, width. So I use this. Yeah, the video one, right? And then this is the image target. Oh, yeah, okay. So basically you need to do this. Name image target. Okay, so video target 1.png. Think this is what I name here. So you need to copy and paste this name. And this name will be code. Okay. You can take a look. Yeah, or you can screenshot. And pretty much this is the whole code. And then remember to publish. And if you go here, okay, so public staging. I would think this as, okay, the staging part. I would think behind this, behind the scene, like
whatever you are coding like mess up with. If you go to the old version, all the code will be old. But if you wanna public, you can choose which one. Maybe you can choose the old one. Yeah, so you can kind of see whatever you want. Yeah, so the final result is this one. Yeah, so pretty much you scan it, you see it. Yeah, and NASA's video is playing, so it enhances your print experience. Okay, so this is the first one. Then let's do the second one. Okay, I pretty much walk through. So yeah, so if you, so I will do the tutorial test too. Okay, tutorial test 2. Tutorial test 2. Okay, so this is like, what's the description? Whatever. Okay, so non-commercial, I don't have money. Okay, so this one, okay, so that's make our device. Yeah, so pretty much I scan it and I go to the web browser, and then yay, my device has been authorized. You see, all the dots is shifting. So yeah, so I mean, yeah, the QR code is like a maze. Yeah, a maze with life. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so I don't know what website to use, so I always use my own website. So yeah, those are the analytics, by the way. Yeah, so which one? Let's do the flyer, but let's do the 3D version. Okay, so let's talk about how to prepare your 3D assets. Let me do. Seriously? I have to. Okay. Let's do real fast. NASA flyer. Okay, so what I did is I have this one, right? Basically Apollo 11 is the kind of like a spaceship to ship those 3 people to the moon, and Neil Armstrong is this. And then I think a lot of people said that why there is no air in the moon, why American flag is flying, right? So like it's shifting, floating. So there are some cool, but I don't know, like some suspicious about the moon landing, but I think they landed on the moon. Anyway, so basically what I want is that when my phone scanned the QR code here, and then it takes me to another web browser, and then by scanning this image, I can see a 3D model rotating, which is Apollo 11. Okay, so this one is the whole design. This one is the image target. And then, yeah, I'm going to tell you how to make the GLB. Yeah, this is mysterious file. Okay, so you go to Sketchfab, right? And I find out this one looks cool, and you can download it, and it's free. It's totally what I want. And the file is under 100 MB, which is perfect for this demo. Okay, so when you click here, there are 2, right? But we need GLTF for, see? Let's see why. Yeah, it seems like this simply. Yeah, so this is a special, format for a lot of 3D model. Yeah, so let's do this. Yeah, so you need to download this. Then let's see. When you download it, you will have this 3, right? Scene, beam, scene, GLTF, and textures. Textures are those, yeah, cool stuff. Right? Is this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Wow, this is cool. Okay, so those are the 3 for this. Okay, so what should we do? We drag those 3, go to this website, GLB slash P dash PACKER .glitch.me. Okay, so you drag those 3 to here. And then later on you see there's out GLB. Yeah, you got a GLB. Okay, once you get a GLB, you can pretty much put inside the assets without having trouble. Okay, that's great. Okay, so what we do is we pretty much dump this 2 and another GLB here. Okay, so that's amazing. We already accomplished most of it. Okay, target image. We have to do it. Okay, so target image, we have to put this here. Oh, yeah, I usually make it like this because I just think that it's probably easier to scan it, right, in a vertical way. Okay, so you upload and auto load. Yeah, you can put PNG whatever, but I mean you can pretty much do whatever you want. Yeah. Okay. So all we need to do is to revise the whole code. We need to find which code is which. Okay. So our goal is to swap the assets, the target image, and swap the GLB, right? Okay, so this GLB, we need to change to what GLB? The Apollo GLB. Apollo.glb. Okay, done for one. And then we forget all about the video thumbnail. Just ignore it. Yeah, if the reason why we can do that is because if the camera didn't detect those image, nothing will play, so we are safe. Okay, so let's see, video target, whatever. Okay, so those are video, bye. So, okay, so we need to make sure that the name is the name of this dude. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, shit. Model target 2, copy and paste. Okay, go here. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's 2. Okay, so I think pretty much it. Oh, yeah, okay. So, cause basically this model I download, it will just stay there, right? Just stay there and nothing move. But I want it to rotate. What should I do? So I look up Frey Academy. Okay, so I look up the projects and I find all those effect looks cool. So what should I do? I need to figure out what's going on, and I really appreciate that the naming is so good, so I can find this. So basically what I need to do is that copy this, the whole code. Oh shit, I probably need to do this.
Okay, so okay, so let's go here. Yeah, what I did was I copy here, copy. This is copy, and then I paste because I like the effect. So should I do? Oh, okay. Go here, cause this is the GLTF. Yeah, whatever model. So I put here, right? But yeah, and then yeah, this one. So, and I remember I remember I put this somewhere here, but I mean, if you can put here, copy and paste here, I think it's pretty good, and I think I scale it down. Yeah, you can put scale, maybe one, something like that. Oh, did I do anything wrong? Yeah, you can pretty much change the scale of it. You can see. Yeah, maybe you need to change those, right? You can see how people write about the scale. Okay, scale. Oh yeah, I need to do those quotation mark. Okay, so let's copy and paste. Yes.
Okay, so I think that's about it. Okay, so yeah, do it, save it, then it. Change assets to Apollo. Yep. Okay. So, and later on, let me show you the result. Result for this is this. Yeah, so you see the rotation, right? Yeah, so when you open the camera and you scan the QR code, leads you to a website which has your brand name at the front. And then you can see something rotated. Okay, so let me show you the original code. I think it's more clean. Apollo 11. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is the original code. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, I pretty much copied it. Oh, I see. I put in the front. I mean, it's the same thing. I think I put in the two places because I don't know which one will be detected. So I pretty much having the assets, the whole thing, from here to here, right? This is making rotation. So it rotates, the y-axis, it's like 360, and it is like easing out scene during whatever loop true. Yeah, so this is the code. And I pretty much copy and paste this to here just to double make sure. Yeah, the scale part and whatever. I mean you can try it, maybe take out this or take out this. And I think the result is the same because there's no arrow. So it's just I just wanna double make sure everything is right. So if you wanna copy it, yeah, so this is the copy and paste time. If you wanna screenshot, pretty much I change the assets and then copy and paste the code from Frame Academy, their public code, and then my swap, pretty much the same. And I leave the jelly video, and then those. Okay, so you see the original file is giant. Eh? Oh shit, too big.
Oh, yeah, it's so big. It's probably like a real size though. I don't know. It's just so big. But it looks so cool. Just like an insect. Yeah, I don't know. It looks so cool. Okay, flyer. Okay, that's the demo one. And this one is... Okay, so for me, my conclusion is that... Okay, so the AR skills, I mean the development skills, unless you want super customize it, there are so many good templates you can use. And all you need to do is to swap the asset. So the development part, thanks to all the convenient softwares like Aswell. So yeah, that's my first conclusion. And second conclusion is that you need to make your assets so beautiful. Yeah. Because I don't know, my background is designer, so I think the only thing that makes me different from other developers app is that I can design good like good visual design, and then I can kind of modify something and make it beautiful. Yeah, so that's my strength in XR field. And the third one is that I think strategy now is becoming so important. Why? Because that since everything becomes not so hard. I mean, unless you want super customized, basically you can find a template online or other tutorials. You can pretty much find a function and make it work. But how you can tell a good story, how you can kind of integrate with your current branding marketing strategy and tell a good story will be the next challenge for XR developer, designer, I don't know, content creator. Yeah, I think that's the challenge. Yeah, okay, so thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.